Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming Channel. In this video we will see how to create program in alphabetical format other than O01 to O9999 series. Press Edit Mode button. Press Program button. Press Program soft key. Type the program name using alphabet or even alphanumeric format. Now press right arrow soft key. Now press New Program soft key. You can see that program named as block is created. Also, you can notice program name block at auto mode while running. You can even create the program name under folder screen. Press folder and then OPRT soft key. Type the program name and press create program soft key. New program is created with name format. Thank you for watching the video.